Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting for good weather to smoke your favourite meats or dealing with messy outdoor setups, then get ready for a game changer that's bringing barbecue indoors. I'm talking about the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. This sleek countertop wonder lets you smoke up to 40 pounds of meat with active smoke filtration, so no smoky kitchen smells. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your smoking sessions effortless and flavorful year-round. Let's dive in and see why this smoker is firing up homes everywhere. First, the feature breakdown on the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. This isn't your traditional smoker. It's a smart indoor unit designed for convenience. With a large 40-pound capacity, that's enough for whole briskets, racks of ribs, or multiple chickens at once. It uses wood pellets for authentic smoke flavour with an internal hopper that holds up to a pound, and active smoke filtration that captures 90% of smoke, venting clean air back into your kitchen. The smoker preheats fast with electric heating elements up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has 7 preset modes for brisket, pork ribs, pork butt, chicken wings, chicken, salmon, and a custom mode for your recipes. Controls are user-friendly with a digital touch panel and app connectivity via Wi-Fi. Monitor temps, set timers, and get notifications on your phone from anywhere. The interior is stainless steel for easy cleaning with 3 adjustable racks and a drip tray to catch messes. It's compact at 23 inches wide by 23 deep by 43 high, fitting on counters or in garages. Build quality is premium with a black finish that's durable and includes a probe for precise meat temps. Setup is simple. Fill the hopper, plug it in, connect to the app, and start smoking. Priced around $499, it's a solid value for indoor convenience. Versatility is key. Smoke low and slow for tender pulls or quick for wings, and the filtration means you can use it indoors without setting off alarms. The app even has recipes and guides for beginners. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. Pros are huge. The indoor filtration lets you smoke anytime without smoke issues. Large capacity handles big batches. Smart app control means hands-off monitoring. And users rave about the authentic flavour from pellets without outdoor hassle. The presets make it beginner-friendly, and the probe ensures perfect doneness every time. It's quiet too, with minimal noise from the fan. But no smoker's perfect. Main con is the price. At $499, it's not cheap for occasional use. It requires wood pellets, which add ongoing cost. Some note the filtration needs regular cleaning, and while compact, it's taller than some counter appliances. Overall, pros dominate for barbecue lovers. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely go for the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker if you want easy indoor smoking without the mess. The pros like filtration, capacity, and smart features make total sense for year-round barbecuers, apartment dwellers, or busy cooks. It's not just a smoker, it's your ticket to flavorful meats anytime. Before we wrap, if these reviews fire you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.